Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 from Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, go to your Google Chrome browser and in search type RHEL 9 ISO download. RHCL 9 ISO download. Now hit enter, and here you will find download Red Hat Enterprise Linux at no cost. Now click on this link. Red Hat website has been opened. Now you need to log into your account or create an account free of cost. Just click on download RHEL at no cost. If you have account, just type your email address, or you can register for a Red Hat account. It's free and very easy step. Now I have an account, so and my email address is here. Just click on next and just type the password here and then click on login, and look, the download has been started automatically and RHEL 9.5 ISO is downloading. This is the easiest way to download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 on Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.